NFTs are all the hype these days, and today we're going to teach you how to make one in under 3 minutes. So you go on rarible.com and it's going to be a single NFT. So you select the single option. Then you choose a file of the NFT that you want to create. It could be a painting, it could be a music clip, it could be a photo. So in this case today we're selecting a piece of art. And here's our painting that we're going to be converting into an NFT. So you take that and then you'll be getting bids on it, but you also want to set an instant sale price, which in this case, because we think our painting is awesome, we're going to set it for 10 Ether. A little bit of wishful thinking, but it can go for $20,000. So that's our instant sale price. Then we're going to go into other nitty-gritty details, but in order to make it simple, we'll just make it part of the website's collection. We won't create our own collection, which you can totally do if you are a famous artist, for example. In terms of coming up with a name or title for our painting, I looked for some inspiration and came up with Penny in the Ocean of Life. So that's going to be our title for the NFT. You can also add a description, but just to keep it simple, we won't do that in this case. Now comes the important part. You have to connect your wallet because you have to pay in order to have your NFT. So I'm connecting it with my Coinbase wallet. You accept the terms and services here, hit proceed, and now it's going to tell me on my Coinbase wallet what I need to pay in order to create this NFT. So at every step of the way, you'll be coordinating with your Coinbase wallet. The first step would cost you about $20 to get it approved. Then upload files and mint token is another 120 US dollars in this case. And then it would ask you for a sign on your Coinbase wallet or whatever wallet you choose. And voila, now you have your NFT. And it would show up under your created NFT where you can appreciate your creation, and it will have the instant sale price in 10 Ether. You can change your price, and you have a bunch of other options with what to do with your NFT. So that's essentially how you make an NFT on rarible.com. Now, if you see this painting, it will come under the art category, and you can see it has its pedigree listed to the right. Like, subscribe, comment, share.